Do you ever find yourself staring out the window, dreaming of distant lands and cultures that stretch the canvas of your everyday life into a masterpiece of experiences? Travel isn't just about changing places, it's about changing perspectives. In a world brimming with breathtaking destinations, each with its own flavor and story, the challenge is not just deciding to travel, it's deciding where to travel. Travel isn't just about changing places, it's about changing perspectives. As Rick Steves often points out, when we embark on these adventures, we become temporary locals, immersing ourselves in the diverse tapestry of global cultures, histories, and natural enchantments. Today, we ask you to join us in deciding where to embark on our next journey. Will it be the serene temples and bustling streets of Japan, the timeless ruins and vibrant markets of Italy, the lush landscapes and savory flavors of Thailand, the ancient mysteries and panoramic vistas of Peru, or the rugged outbacks and stunning reefs of Australia? Every destination offers a unique key to unlocking new dimensions of our world and ourselves. Japan, land of the rising sun. Japan offers a striking blend of tradition and modernity. It's a place where ancient temples coexist peacefully with towering skyscrapers. Walking the streets of Tokyo, you're enveloped in a wave of structured harmony that defines Japanese culture. Kyoto, on the other hand, lets you step back in time with its well-preserved districts and the emblematic Arashiyama bamboo grove. But Japan is more than its urban landscape. The country's countryside reveals a different kind of beauty, serene and contemplative. The blooming of cherry blossoms, sakura, in spring, is not just a natural event, but a national spectacle that draws visitors and locals alike into the parks for picnics under the fleeting flowers. For the foodie adventurers, Japan is a culinary exploration of flavors, from the street food stalls selling takoyaki and yakitori to the high-end sushi bars, where the freshness of the sea meets the artistry of the chef. Not to forget, a sojourn in a traditional ryokan inn will enhance your cultural immersion, allowing you to experience the deep-rooted hospitality that is quintessentially Japanese. Italy, a leap into living history. Italy is a canvas of rich textures, painted with the hues of history and modern vibrancy. The ruins of Rome, the art-filled corridors of Florence, the serenading canals of Venice, and the bustling markets of Naples. Italy enchants with its astonishing variety in such compact geography. Every corner tells a story. Every street corner is a live museum. As you travel through these landscapes, indulge in the culinary delights that Italy is famous for. The food here is a heartfelt invitation to experience the passion Italians have for their cuisine, served from the recipes passed down through generations. Aside from its historical and culinary richness, Italy offers natural landscapes that St. Francis of Assisi would have blessed, from the rolling vineyards of Tuscany to the dramatic coastlines of the Amalfi Coast. For the intrepid traveler, Italy ensures that every sense is delighted and every curiosity rewarded.